In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under alkanoic acid. So guys, we have 11 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following types of alkanols undergo oxidation to produce alkanoic acid? So we have primary alkanols, secondary alkanols, tertiary alkanols. So the right answer would be primary alkanols, right? So I only is the correct option, which is option C. So that's for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, what process is involved in the reaction represented by the equation below? So this will give us esterification, because when you check here, we are having an alkanol reacting with an alkanoic acid, so give you an ester. So the right answer would be, this is esterification reaction. So when the alkanols react with alkanoic acid, they're going to have esterification reaction. So that's for this question. The next question will be this one. It says the reaction between alkanoic acid and alkanols in the presence of amino acid is known as esterification, option C. That's it for this question. The next question will be, it says the process by which alkanoic acid reacts reversibly with alkanols is known as esterification. So when alkanols react with alkanoic acid, you're going to have esterification, and ester will produce. The next question with this one, it says, which of the following compounds would react with alkanoic acid to give a sweet smelling liquid? So it will be an alkanol. Okay, option B is an obvious question. The next question, this one, it says the IUPAC name of the following organic compound is. So we have propan 1,2-dioic acid, we have oxalic acid, we have ethane 1,2-dioic acid, we have ethanoic acid. So the right answer would be this option C. If you are naming this compound, this will give you ethane 1,2-dioic acid. So that's the right naming for this compound we have here. Next question with this one, it says the following alkanols will yield alkanoic acid on reacting with excess acidified potassium chromate 6 except. So the exception here would be this compound in option C. Alright, so that's the exception for this question. The next question of this one, it says, what is the IUPAC name for the following compound? So this is propanoic acid. If you check, we're having 3 carbon atoms and COOH, which is the carboxylic group. Okay, so the right answer is option C, which is propanoic acid. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following pairs of substances can be distinguished by use of sodium hydrogen triazo carbonate 4 solution? So the pairs of substances that can be distinguished will be the one that has an alkanoic acid and an alkanol, which is option A. Alright, so these pairs of substances can be distinguished by use of sodium hydrogen triazo carbonate 4. So option A is the right answer to this question. Last question I have here before I end this video will be this one. It says the products of the reaction between this compound and this compound are water, and so you're going to have an ester. So basically here an alkanol is reacting with an alkanoic acid. So when the two react, you're going to have ester as a product. So the ester we're going to have from the options we have here will be our, so the right answer will be option C. Yeah, so it's going to be option C. This option C, this is our methyl propanoate. Okay, that's it for this question. So this basically can do problems involving alkanoic acid for your chemistry practice with about 10 to 11 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.